Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you another beautiful and super easy to make pattern of crochet blanket. This pattern looks a little bit complex, but if you start to make it, this is super easy and also give a very textured look to your blanket. So for this crochet project, I am using 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I am using a 3-ply double knit yarn. This is a local yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. In this way, make chains which are multiple of 5 plus 4. I will make 24 chains. So I have made 24 chains. Now this loop on the hook doesn't count as anything, and we are going to work into the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So we are going to skip these 5 stitches, and into the 6th one here we are going to work. This is a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook like this. Go into this 6th chain and draw up a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Sorry, in the start I have just said 5th chain. We are going to work into the 6th chain exactly. So in this 6th chain, make double crochet 3, then double crochet 4. After making a set of these 4 double crochet stitches, make chain 1 and then chain 2 and make a double crochet in this same chain. So this is our first block of pattern. Now we are going to skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And in this 5th one we are going to make another block. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and make a double crochet in this same chain. Again skip 1, 2, 3, and then 4 chains, and into this 5th one make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2, and in this same chain make 1 double crochet. Make another block like this in 5th chain. So in the end we have 3 chains left. So in this last chain we are going to make a double crochet. So make a double crochet stitch into this last chain, and our first row is completed. Now start the second row with chain 3, 1, 2, 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work and we are going to work in this chain 2 space here. So in this chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4. After making 4 double crochet stitches, make chain 1, chain 2, and then into the same space make a double crochet. Now we are going to work in this next chain 2 space. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4. Then make chain 1 and chain 2 and make a double crochet in this chain 2 space. So make this block of 4 double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in every chain 2 space. So here is the end, and we are going to make a double crochet in this third chain. You can see it here. Here is our third chain. In this third chain we are going to make a double crochet because this chain 3 is counted as a double crochet stitch here also, and then we have chain 2 here for the space. Now make 3 chains, turn up the work again, and we are going to work in this chain 2 space again. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, then chain 1 and chain 2, double crochet 1 in this chain 2 space. So this block is completed with the same pattern of 4 double crochet, 2 chains and a double crochet in every chain 2 space till the end. We are going to complete this row. So I have made these blocks, and in the end we are going to make a double crochet in this third chain, which is here. So in this third chain make a double crochet, make 3 chains, turn up the work, and into the chain 2 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4, chain 1 and then chain 2, and a double crochet stitch in this chain 2 space. So this is our pattern. Just repeat it till the end of this this row, and with this same pattern we are going to repeat these rows. So I have completed this row, and this is a very nice pattern, as you can see. I hope you guys like this pattern. With this pattern you can not only make baby blankets, but you can also make other different crochet projects, like you can make scarves, you can make shawls, and you can also use this pattern in other crochet projects as well. If you like this pattern, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to get more videos like this. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications of every upload on my channel as well. And also share this video with other crochet lovers in your circle, so that they can also get benefit from these type of pattern videos. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.